Hey guys, it's Carrie B. I know it's been a while since we've done a video, but I got some new Patrick Starrr stuff today, so I thought I would unbox this and do a video on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and take it out of this. Ooh. Okay, so here's the visual. And there's Patrick in his flower headdress and some information about the collection. So yeah, let's see what we got. Here's the box. I'm gonna pull it back a little bit. It's so pretty. I don't even want to open it. I hesitate to open it. Is that wrong? All right, we got to do it. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this and unwrap it. This bow is so cute. So here's the box. Hope you guys can see this. I'll put it the right way. So this is the M.A.C Chic set. And I think these are going to be sold like this in these little sets. And in the back it says that it's the M.A.C Chic 1 amplified lipstick, 1 lip gloss, an eyeshadow quad, and a powder blush duo. So let's take a look. Tissue paper. All right. Sorry for looking down. Oh, this packaging is real pretty. Did you guys see that? This is the lip color. So I think this is the nude one. This is Sweet Mama Starrr. Really pretty. And I'm actually gonna show you guys this, but I don't want to mess up my new packaging, so I'll show you in the samples that I have once I unbox all of it. Okay, and then the lip gloss has the same beautiful floral detailing on it. And this is, I think it's Mama Starrr Kiss, I think is what this one is called. Okay, moving on. Exciting stuff. Ooh, a blush duo. All right. The compact is beautiful. I'm going to pull back so you guys can see. And this is the blush. This is the I'm Not Blushing Powder Blush Duo. And again, I will show you swatches of this. It's just going to be from not this packaging because this is too pretty to touch right now. I know I'm being a little precious. I'm sorry. I can't help it. I like product too. Ooh, and it comes with a face chart. That is so pretty. And on the back, they said there is a how-to video at the Patrick Starrr YouTube, which is THEE. And then Patrick Starrr with 3 R's, so that's exciting. And last but not least, oh, the quad. So pretty. So lots of beautiful purples and magentas, and I think, does this have all rosy in it? I know I did swatches on my, Bon Nuit, Queen Patrick, Daddy Starrr, and Yes. It's probably Yes, but anyway, try not to be too corny. But absolutely beautiful and stunning. I did do swatches of this on my Instagram, but I am going to do some for you here right now. So let me just grab my other product and I'll be right back. Okay, swatchy time. So this is Sweet Mama Starrr. This is a nude lipstick, and I'm just going to do a quick swatch of it here for you so you can see the color. It's kind of, I turn everything orange, but it's a kind of a mid-toned nude, and it does have a bit of warmth to it. It's not pink. It's a bit more of an, I would say, orangey or spicy tone. This is the lip gloss, Mama Starrr Kiss. Now this has a bit of, it's a tinted lip gloss, but it does have a little bit of shimmer in it. It's really pretty. So you guys can see that. Pull back a little bit. Okay. Then I will show you the blush. So in this kit, you get the I'm Not Blushing Duo Blush Compact. So the contour color is pretty warm. It's very pretty though, and very wearable. I think it would be great as like a bronzing color. I'm gonna, yeah, let the camera focus on that so you can see. And then the blush tone is a beautiful complement, also kind of peachy, has a lot of warmth to it. I'll try to come closer so you guys can see it. The iPhone has a tendency to want to shift color, but there we go. That's pretty good. Okay, so that's the lipstick, the lip gloss, and the blush duo. Okay, onto the shadows. So we've got Daddy Starrr, Yes, Queen Patrick, and Bon Nuit. So I'm gonna start with Daddy Starrr, which is this color here. It's kind of a dusty rose. There it is. And then the next color is Yes, which is a really frosty, beautiful plum tone. This has a lot of good payoff. It's a very soft eyeshadow. So I would suggest using a pretty flat brush and kind of tapping it onto the eye. I will do a makeup with this soon, but I wanted you guys to see the swatches here first. Okay, and then down here, one of my favorite colors is Queen Patrick. I love a good purple, and it's hard to get a good purple, so this is really beautiful. It has shimmer in it. It's very light reflective. Has a little bit of fallout, so be mindful when you're working with it. I'm gonna come a little closer here so you guys can see. And then last but not least, we have Bon Nuit. Yeah, Bon Nuit. And it's really deep and gonna give you beautiful smoky eye or a great liner. So a very wearable palette for most people. I think to me, purple, obviously I've got an affinity for it, but I think these are really, really beautiful and really wearable. And I hope you get a chance to experience them and check them out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, and hopefully I'll be able to do the next kit as well. And with that, I bid you all a fond adieu, and I hope you have a great night, and I will talk to you soon. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.